Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool image right here. And basically what this is a streaming webcam that has a built-in ring light. So that way when you guys stream, you don't have to worry about it being super dark or anything. So you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. And it provides guys some of the specs that's on here as well. So obviously for this part, you don't have to use it for streaming. If you guys want to use it for like webcam or video calls, for like conferences or meetings, you can definitely do that on here. So you see inside right here, they mentioned some of the ways that you actually use the product right here. But I actually open this up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. So let's take it out. Alright, so first thing you see inside right here, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to set a product and also how to use it as well. But right here, you can see we do have the actual product. You can see it's all nicely wrapped. So right here, they do provide a little cloth that can use to wipe down the lens on the actual webcam itself. But right here is the actual product. Let's take it out from the wrapper first. Alright, so once we take it out, you can definitely see that this is basically what the product looks right here. So right here on the side, you can see they do have the ring light option. And then right here, we do have the webcam or lens option right here. If you see in the bottom right here, they do have the anti-slip material in the bottom. And you see right here, we do have the little option for you guys to actually screw it onto a tripod as well. So you definitely have the option to actually clip this on your screen. Or if you guys want to use a tripod option or something, you definitely can as well. So if you guys want to clip it on your screen, you basically want to open up this part right here. And also this part as well. So once you guys do that, you guys can actually put this over like your screen monitor or whatever. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. But also you can see in the webcam option right here, this part right here is actually rotatable. So if you guys want to move it up and down, you definitely can on here as well. And here is basically the other side of the cable. So it is a USB cable. So you definitely plug this into like your laptop, or if you guys want to plug this into your computer, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. So in terms of the ring light option on here, there's actually 3 different settings on here. So there's a low light, a medium light, and also a high light option on here. And like I mentioned earlier, for the actual power right here, they do have a dual mic system that also has like an amplifier chip as well. So that actually blocks out a lot of the noise when you guys are using it for like streaming, or if you guys want to use it for like video conference calls or whatever. So that's actually really cool as well. And also supposedly for this power right here, they do have a autofocus option on here. So that way you guys don't have to do it manually. But that is basically everything that's on the power right here. Let me actually go plug this in and test it out to show you guys how it works and when actually it works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. So we got the webcam all set right here, if you can see. This is basically actually looks like the back part right here. So you basically have this back part right here for support to actually hold it onto your screen. And right here is basically clipping onto your monitor. So that way it won't fall off as easy, if you can see. Alright, so we got the product all set right here. If you can see, we do have the red light popped on right here. And this is basically what the screen looks like once you guys fully set it up. So right now we actually have it plugged into my USB option on the actual laptop right here. And basically if you guys want to use the LED light on here, you basically want to tap this part right here. So that is 1, that is 2, and that is 3. And when you guys first get the product, you definitely want to remove this little cover right here first. So just like that. And once you guys remove it, you guys can see that this is basically what the image quality looks like here, or the video quality. Let's see what the difference is when you guys turn on the light option. Alright, so you can see the whole entire room is completely dark right now. So once you turn on the LED light right here and test out again. Alright, so that is 1. Here is 2. And here is 3. So you see we actually turn on the light option on here in complete darkness. It definitely makes a huge difference compared to without the light on. But if I turn back on one of the lights on here, you can definitely see how much bigger of a difference actually makes on here. But you can see the image quality or the video quality on here, and also the LED option on here definitely works pretty well. But let's test out the audio on the microphone on here and see how that works. Alright, so basically what you guys are listening to right now is the audio that's coming from the microphone right here on the actual LED webcam right here. If you guys can hear what it actually sounds like. If you see from the video quality on here, it actually looks pretty nice. It definitely gives you guys that 1080p quality on here, which is pretty nice. Alright, so I can see and hear the audio quality on here and also the video quality on here. It definitely works really, really well. So if you guys listen to the microphone audio test just now, you can definitely hear how it's actually pretty clear. And that was from the microphone that's right here and not my laptop. And if you guys really pay attention to the audio on the microphone, it definitely has a little bit of a noise cancellation on here. So that way you guys don't hear too much of the noise in the surrounding. But you can see the product definitely does work. So if you guys want to use it for like live streaming or just streaming in general, or if you guys want to use this for like video conferences or for meetings or whatever, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. But you can see the product definitely works pretty well. And basically for the webcam option right here, not only can you guys move it up and down like this, but you can definitely move it left and right, which is pretty convenient. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice a quick test, I definitely see that she does work, and she works quite well. So the whole setup process is actually pretty simple. All you need to do is plug in the cable and just set it up on your monitor, or if you guys want to set this onto your laptop screen, you can definitely set up how you guys want to. And also, like I mentioned, if you guys want to set it up like a tripod or something using the screw option at the bottom, you can definitely do that as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Not a unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality webcam that has everything on here. In terms of the noise cancellation for a microphone, the high quality image, or the high quality video quality, and also the ring light option. If you guys want all of that and so much more, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.